Hey there everyone. So as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. So make it sure to watch it until the end because this is the fastest way without any apps. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your WhatsApp and tap status. After that, tap the mic icon to create a voice status. Alright, so open any music app, YouTube, Spotify, or your phone music player. Start playing the song you want in the background. Record your music as voice status. While the song is playing, press and hold the mic button to record. The music will get recorded in the background as your voice status. You can review it, and once you are happy, tap send. So that's it. Now you know how to add music to your WhatsApp status easily using your voice recording feature. No extra apps needed. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.